In this video, we're going to show you how to restore a SQL Server database using the backup or software. As with the backing up of SQL databases, you should always contact the person, company or programmer who originally set up your SQL database before doing this. If you do not understand any aspect of SQL Server, how it works or how the database can be restored, we will once again ask you to seek professional help before doing this. The backup or software can only restore the SQL database to its last backup state. It cannot be edited, changed or modified while restoring. If there has been a problem with your SQL Server and you're now restoring from a backup to a stable state, we would advise you to download Microsoft SQL Server Express Management Tool from Microsoft, or you can get the same program from Backup Earth. This is a free download which will allow you to repair databases, edit transaction logs while restoring the file. To restore your SQL database, select the SQL database you wish to restore. In our case, we backed up test1 from the drop-down box here. This section here allows you to download the safe copy that's held within the Backup Earth servers. To do this, simply click here and click Restore Archive from BKE servers. This will bring the backup file, back down to your PC or server. In our case, we still have the file on our server. Once we're done, we simply just quickly flick through Display if any suspect/damaged data. This checks your existing database to see is there any damage in it that may upset the restoration of your software. If anything appears in here that your existing database is corrupt, or the EXE that's running your existing database is corrupt, or a program of which is accessing the SQL database is causing errors, then we would advise you to download Microsoft Express Edition, SQL Server Management Express Edition, which will help you through and talk you through how to stop these errors from occurring. First thing we do is we just go back to backups held within the archive. Let's give it a moment. And the SQL Server should bring back all the good copies it's created of itself. Just takes a few there. And there are dates. 16th of the 2nd, all the way down. As there's quite a few there for the 16th of the 2nd. There's an awful lot of transactions from that day. Backup type 1, and you can go down through. It explains everything you need, positions, 91, username, all the information you need about the backup is there. Last SLN, sorted code pages. We're going to select the very last one because this is the one I know I backed up early on in the video. Select it. Over to your right hand side, you have the different options like tick to overwrite existing database, untick to repair, preserve replication, prompt before restoring each backup, restrict access to restore database. In our case, we're just simply everything as default. Once done, simply click Restore SQL Server Database. This will take a few moments. It can take up to 2 or 3 minutes depending on the size of the database. Once done, you'll be informed that the SQL restore has been complete. The full database has now been restored. Any of the existing corruption database and so forth that have been deleted. Your database now has been put back to this date at this time. Click OK to continue, and that's how you restore your SQL database. Once again, if you do not understand any part of SQL database, please seek professional help before doing so. That's it.